Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I am going to talk about how to set up Instagram shop in 2025, and it will be a beginner tutorial and I will try my best to give you whole procedure step by step guidelines. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So as you can see, we already landed in instagram.com and they are asking for create an account. So I'm going to click on over here sign up. Once I click over here, it will redirect me to that place. So here you are allowed to log in with Facebook, or you can create an account by using your mail. So I'm going to create an scratch account, so that for reason I'm going to visit on my Gmail account. So here I'm fulfill all the necessary steps. That will be my full name and username, and Mahim, and then go over here and check this out. Let's copy it here, and here I'm going to paste my Gmail, Control V. Then I'm going to give a username, that will be my this may be available, that's why they suggest us. Then I'm going to give a password, and I will make sure that it will be noted over that somewhere in the computer. So after completing all the necessary steps in here, I'm going to click over here sign up, and I need to follow some procedure. So here they are asking for our birthday. So here I'm going to give my birthday, it's October 19 2003, and click on next, and they will provide us a confirmation code on our mail. So I just need to be go in that place, and here I will find out my confirmation code over that place. So well, I need to be wait a while, or it will become over that place. If not, yeah, that you can see the result. I already get an mail over that place, so I already paste it here. So just click on next. Once I click over here next, then it will be loading, and once it complete, then I will be complete to create my account. So here let's wait a bit, and then when it will be complete, I will redirect to that page. So finally you can see our account creation has been completed, and they are asking us to follow some of them. So I'm going to follow some of them from the top. So I'm click on next, and then I will redirect to the feed. So in here I am going to talk about an important topic, like before starting you need to be meet some requirements on Instagram. First of all, you have a business or creator Instagram account, or you are located in a country where Instagram shopping is available. You have a Facebook page connected to your Instagram, or you comply with Meta commerce policies. And last, you have a product catalog by Shopify, WooCommerce and Meta Commerce Manager. So you definitely need this requirement to fulfill before creating your shop. So once you complete your all the necessary step, just go over here in that place in your profile, and here you need to be upload your mail or your photos. So I'm going to upload some logo. I already created over that place, so I will upload this one. Like, try to make it more professional so customer can trust you. After making it more professional, then your second step will be convert to a business or creator account. First of all, similarly, you need to be open Instagram app. As you can see, our Instagram app is open. Then go to your profile. We are already landed in our profile. Then here you can see we have some option in the top next to the username. We have like edit profile, view archive, and setting options. Here you can see we have some other options: setting, meta verify, supervision, logging activity, and many more. So here you just need to be click on setting and privacy. Just click over here, and now you can see we have some option: bio, prefer, not to say, and show account suggestion to profile, and many more. Once you enter here, scroll to account type and tools. You need to be scroll here, and then you need to be find out where is the account type and tools. here you can see for professionalism or professionals, click on account type and tools and just click over here, and here you can see we have couple of options called account type and switch to professional account. So just click over here. Once you click over here, they are giving us option. If you are a creator, then best for public figures, content producer, artist and influencer. If you want to convert your profile as it business, then this second option will be best for retailers, local businesses, brands, organization and service holders. So choose business or creator, whatever you want. Whether you click this both, it's okay. Just click on next, and now you can see business, learn about your followers, reach your customer, get new contact options. So here you can see these features will be associated with your business. Again click on next, and here you just need to be search your business type. My business type is online. Let's see does they provide any options, shopping and retail. Just go over here and just click on continue. Once you click over here, it will take switching, and now they are asking for show contact info on profile. So you need to be provide your details over that place. In public business information, show your contact info, does not use my contact info. Yeah, then click on done, and as a result you can see our profile has been become professional. Now we have couple of tools option which is related to business tool, like you can see business tools and control professional account. Like let's go and scroll it. Here you can see you are allowed to switch your account to personal account again, then you are allowed to add payments over that place. Then you can check this out one by one, how other can interact with you, message and your story replies, take and mention, comments and couple of further more options. Here you will probably get all the necessary things for starting a business from scratch. So I hope you understand how useful is this Instagram shop. And now you can see logging to Meta Business Suite using your Instagram account. Logging, let's click on logging. So by doing this you are allowed to add runs on Instagram, so you are getting towards to ad manager. So here you can easily, here you can see this is our Instagram account. If you want to add any business method, here you are allowed to add it. So let's go and find out further more. Let's click over here, Meta Business Setting, just click over here. Now you can connect your Facebook also in this platform. You can check this out, like totally you get whole analytics prompt here, and here you can see confirm access. So confirm access, confirm, done. As you can see Instagram connected, and now you can manage your business through this platform, business.facebook.com. So I hope this makes a sense for you to why you need to be switch your Instagram account to business, and how you can switch your Instagram to actual business shop. I hope this video was really helpful for you. If you think this was literally or actual knowledgeable for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.